How to organize your life like a samurai philosopher. The samurai were not just warriors. They were philosophers of discipline, balance, and order. To organize your life like a samurai, you must adopt their principles of clarity, routine, and unwavering focus. First, simplify your surroundings. A cluttered space leads to a cluttered mind. Samurai lived with minimal possessions, keeping only what was necessary for their purpose. Apply this to your own life by decluttering your environment, keeping only what serves your goals. Next, establish a strict daily routine. Samurai followed precise schedules, training at set times and dedicating moments to meditation, study, and reflection. Create a structured day that includes work, self-improvement, and moments of stillness to sharpen your mind. Discipline is the key. Don't let distractions dictate your schedule. Master the art of decision-making. Samurai lived by the principle of Fudoshin, or immovable mind, making decisions swiftly and with conviction. Overthinking leads to hesitation, while clarity comes from knowing your priorities. Define your values, set clear goals, and commit to your choices without second-guessing. Finally, embody the Bushido Code. Live with integrity, courage, and respect. Every action should align with your principles, from how you speak to how you handle adversity. Organizing your life isn't just about schedules and habits. It's about embodying a mindset of purpose and self-mastery. When you live with intention and discipline, you move through life with the same unshakable focus as a samurai.